Hey, what's going on? We're back. We are back. Welcome. All right, let's start this off. Let's start the day. Let's start fresh. I mean, we already started in London, so Dilzik, hello. Welcome. All right. Took out a high. By the way, I think Aussie, hey, good to see you. I think we have a good chance to continue going higher, as yesterday we did not manage to go through, but now today is the chance for a price to go higher. So let's see how it's gonna go. How you doing, Aussie? And everybody. What's up, Dilzik? We have Jolt's job openings, right? Right. All right, so all right, dashboard. All right, all right. I thought that we have some news. I mean, we do have some news, but those are high impact news, right? ISM services, okay, and Joel's job openings. All right. So careful with the funded accounts. Careful with the funded accounts there. Okay, all right. I was just checking the charts. All is good. Drawn liquidity would be up there again at 897. So 100 points up. That's what I think. Kirk, what's happening? Welcome, Kirk. All right, here's the open. Here's the market open. Nothing fancy. I think it's gonna go sideways anyways. So okay. I mean, I'm not expecting anything major until the news comes out at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard. So, just gonna wait for now. Obviously, but yeah, I don't expect anything. Ion Vida, hey, üdvözöllek, welcome. Doing okay? Minden okay? Várjuk a híreket. Waiting for the news here. 29 more minutes. I suggest not to take a trade until then. So it's gonna be, well, if you guys want to go some scalping maybe. But anyway, let's do some tape reading, okay? Until we wait for the news. There's a 15-minute gap here. Jonathan! The news is gonna be ISM services and Jolt's job openings. In my time, it's 4 p.m., but it's 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so it's gonna be in about 28 minutes. In 28 minutes. All right. 15 minutes CB has been taken. Should have thought of that earlier. I mean, it took it at the open, so nothing major. 15 minutes CB taken. Yeah, not yet. I'm actually still thinking which one to go with. I know it could be sound, I mean, it could be sound weird, but I might go with funded next. Not sure. Not sure. I downloaded the, I mean, I downloaded the platform, the MetaTrader, and I'm gonna do, I think there's a demo account which I can do, and I want to see the spreads, how the spreads are working around on the CFDs and gold, and how responsive is MetaTrader with them. And if all is good, then yeah. Obviously, the chart is not exactly the same as on futures, so it's gonna be interesting. All right, here's the drop. Here is a drop. Now, where can it go? 5 minute midnight level at 720. Took liquidity here. Awesome. This would be the first fair value gap here. This one. I would call this as the first fair value gap. I think it's visible. It's visible on the mini as well. Well, it's a small one, but it's there. Small, tiny fair value gap. Pushing down. What's down there? Yeah, it could be 10 points down. There is still a low there at, what's the level, 30.75. I don't know if it's gonna take it or not. There could be some support beneath that level. Not sure. Okay, that has been taken out. All right. Other than that, nothing special. So it took liquidity. I feel like the draw on liquidity would still be up there. Previous day high and then higher, you know, up to 99. That would be the real thing. But let's just wait for the news. Nvidia had a fast drop. If it keeps fading from all time high, it will. Yeah, if Nvidia goes down, definitely. Chow Tang, hey, Chow Tang, good to see you. Long time no see. Welcome. How's trading nowadays, Chow Tang? All right, all right. Are we going lower or what? Just a second. I have to check on Nvidia and extend the trading. Oh yeah, it's dropping. Nvidia is the one that's dragging down NQ. Haven't even checked on ES lately. Oh yeah, relative equal highs. Interesting. Anyway, liquidity has been taken. Good to see you too, man. Good to see you too. All right, all right. I have a strange feeling that it can also go back to the first presentation gap up there, you know, or first fair value gap as we call it. How far is that? Not that far. There could be still some liquidity levels. Down there. This could be or would be a almost like a London low. Or even down there at 700. So watch out for 700. I am gonna wait for in that the gym. It was great. Today was chest, you know, cardio and chest and a little bit of biceps. And I'm telling you, oh, everything hurts. Or at least starts to hurt. And tomorrow is rest, so next time is Thursday in the gym. So next time Thursday, and unfortunately maybe that will be leg day. I hate that. Fasting, it's good. It's good. I lost 2 kilograms, but I need to eat something. I need to eat like at least some minimal stuff, like bit of it, well, something minimal, because I'm gonna fade. You know, faint, not fade, faint. But in the morning, just a little bit of just a minimal breakfast. Yeah, leg day. I don't like leg day. Thursday is gonna be leg day, I think. So, but hey, most of our muscles are in our legs. So So if I train my legs, that could help me to burn some fat and, you know, get some muscle. So yeah, that's gonna be the thing. Hey Joe Thang, what's up? Is Hungary economic going on? Any job hunt opportunities? Well, you know, there is. I mean, there are jobs mainly in the capital in Budapest. So, so if I were you and you would come to work to Hungary, then I would maybe talk to a headhunter uh, company, you know, because they can search for some good jobs according to your skills, you know, for you. But obviously, if one wants to work, there is always some job to do. The question is how much you will make. But obviously, there are good paying jobs as well. But those are usually being taken, or, you know, people who have connections with someone usually get the jobs. And that could be a little bit annoying. But yeah, the economy the economy is not too good in Hungary, unfortunately, but there are some good jobs, obviously, that one can take. So, Hunger Games. Yeah, exactly. All right. How far is that? 72 up there? Are we going back to those levels up there to that first gap? I'm just wondering. We made a small shift here in structure. I don't know what that could mean, but you know, small push here. Took a small scalp on the longs. I don't know how far it will go. My target is back to the first presentation gap. I don't know if I can switch this to you guys to show you. Almost there. I took a partial on it. Come on. All right. Just a small scalp here. You know, when I see this kind of push back to the first presentation gap, it should be taking that. The 74 is the level. So, as you can see, it did take it. It wasn't so bad. There you go. So this was just a scalp. Can we talk? Yeah, sure. I mean, if you need my email, just send me a message anytime. If you need some information, I can help you out. There's my email. There you go. And video is bouncing. Let's go. I don't know what that means, but awesome. Actually, I have Google Translate, so I can translate that. That means that's a tree or something. I don't know, but it's cool. It says, "I love you. I love you too. I love you all." Oh, I'm actually super happy. I made 300 on my MyFundedFutures account, which was in oh, okay. Let me just check it. Which was totally in oblivion. Now it's getting into recovery mode, which is awesome. I'm in Hungary, yes. I'm not in the capital, but I'm in Hungary. I live like 90 kilometers south from Budapest, our capital. But yeah, I'm not far from Budapest. So yes, I'm in Hungary. Look at this account, guys. This MyFundedFutures account, I had the daily loss limit 1, 2, 3 times. And look at the difference here. I almost blew this account. $356. 350, actually not, $353. That was all my drawdown, I think. Yeah. So I almost blew this account and now it's back. It's actually back in profit. Today I made 300. Yeah, and look at that. 3 times hit the daily loss limit. 1, 2, 3. So when you're asking or you're saying that the daily loss limit is BS, I would like to remind you that sometime the daily loss limit is the thing that is going to stop you to go on full tilt. So yeah. That's the thing that stops you from going full tilt. So yeah, all the way down up there. I really like this account. You mean you're now live? No, I live in Hungary, but I don't live in Budapest, in our capital city. You know, I live not too far from Budapest. I live 90 or 100, maximum 100 kilometers from Budapest. That's it. But I do live in Hungary. Oh, look at this. What is happening? Yeah. Yeah. And speaking of end of day, intraday, no, daily loss limit. The option 2 accounts from Bulenox are on sale 84%, 84% down on the 50K option 2 accounts. So you can get it for $28 with end of day trailing and daily loss limit from Bulenox. You just need to put a number 2 after the code. So Tom Sabo 2. I'm sorry, I don't want to shill, but it's very rare that Bulenox puts it on sale. So if some of you guys want a cheap end of day trailing account, then Bulenox is now having it on sale. What a move right now. Interesting. Everybody's waiting for the news, so we're gonna do that too. I just had one scalp here. I'm super happy about that. That's awesome. But you know. Dun, dun, dun. I wonder how far. Oh, look at that. Before the news, it's going up there. Oof. It's just going. It's just going. I'm not gonna enter anything. But basically what happened here is that we inverted this gap here. Dun. 5 minutes until news. Five minutes. So get ready to rumble. Oh, come on. Quick text message here. Sent email. All right, let me check. Just a second. Uh, okay, Chow Tang. I'm gonna send you later an email. Um, the thing we can do, Chow Tang, is I'm going to send you an email. For a company, actually, maybe two companies. All right, and anyway, I'm gonna explain everything in email, and those companies can help you. Those are Hungarian companies, and they can help you. They're actually good, and I will search for something else as well. All right, I'm gonna send you an email after the stream later. Okay. All right, almost news. Almost news. All right, 40 seconds. Here's the news. Oh wow, it's going down like crazy. dropping, dropping, dropping. How far it will go. No problem, no problem. Hey, real folks, what's happening? Gold, what's happening on gold? Oh, it's dropping as well. Jeez, look at this. Woo. And that's how we swept the lows here. So yesterday's low is, I mean, that 641 has been terminated completely. The news was Jolt's job openings higher than expected. $50. Congrats. Good job. Okay. So now that the news is done, now we can really look for something to trade. And that level has been taken out. How big was this drop from up there? Yeah, quite big. Next level on the downside. Could be repricing this fair value gap here. But we could be looking for a possible reversal too. Are we gonna drop down to 520? Let me see the regular trading hours. Okay, could be closing down this gap, maybe. I would say 50% of this level. Alright, that's 607. Did we go down? Yeah, we did. Okay. We did take the 50% area of the gap. So from here, it's discount. I would be careful to go short. I would be careful to go short. I have a connection issue with the Apex. Does anybody else has it? Gotta reconnect. Oh, it could be a difficult read. This is not really something I'm super interested in. There's a flat candle on the 5-minute, also on the 15, so I do like that area. Also on the 1 hour, but that's a brand new candle. It was because of the news. And we keep on dropping. Oh, so that's the problem. Well, it's simple. You can simply restore that, Kirk. So you just have to buy some accounts from them. That's how simple it is. You know, super easy. That's an easy fix. That's an easy fix there. Is this going down or what? 600 is holding it. Trade away. Yeah, it should be alright. I think it's okay. It should be okay. It should be okay. Previous day low is 520. I'm not jumping in right now. We're pretty much at the lows here. That doesn't mean it cannot go down. Because I think it will go down. There you go. It's going. Yeah. Let's go. Okay, what a move now. Look at this. I don't know. Currently, if I look at the 1 hour, it seems like it could still drop. But oh man, oh man. Mm-hmm. So this level would be important to me. This was the news candle. Um, if it would go back up there, I really like that. And I do like the fair value gap above that level. Well, I don't think I'm gonna jump into a short here. Do we have any other news? Nothing. Tomorrow, FOMC meeting, unemployment claims as well. Okay. January 9, futures are closed. And we have the Friday. All right, so the only way this can go down is if it wants to cover the gap completely and, you know, go down to 520. Go down to 520. Maybe only then. maybe only then. I'm not sure. There it goes. I took a short at 560, jumped in. Go for 522. My entry is terrible. I want to see it to cover the, you know what? All right, I'm taking off one now. Took partial there. Took a partial down there, at least. Before it completely destroys me. But to me, it seems like that it still might want to go down. I don't know. Very, 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 very close to previous day low. And to cover the gap. How am I still in the trade? Okay, I'm out. So, no problem. Nice rejection here. Okay, previous day low was 23. Was it? Let me check on the mini. Open. No, the low 20.50 on the mini. It didn't go down there. No. Almost took it out. If someone wants to scalp it, up to you. Hey, no problem, Chao Thing. I'm gonna send it later. I'm gonna give you a website, one or two, and the company that you can check them. You know. Yeah, I understand. Chao. I'm not sure. It depends on where is the person from. But I'm gonna write you an email about that. In my district, well, there are some big companies around here, but still, a headhunter company that will help you out professionally. Let me put some lights here. All right, it's better. Okay, I wonder if this one somehow is gonna make it all the way back there to the top, or at least the 661. I couldn't say anymore. It was. I understand. I understood your email. So, as I said, I'm gonna send you websites and, you know, some contacts. Hey Tudor, how am I adding this? It's an indicator called the power of 3. It's called power of 3. Here you go. HTF power of 3 from 2 degrees. It has 11k users. So power of 3. And if you double click, then I use the New York Midnight level. No problem. I use the New, but you can choose any kind of, you know, candle that you want. It's a free indicator. All right, seems like we're going back to maybe 47. Almost a very shorter block. Not the most beautiful one, but look at that. I wonder if it's gonna pop it or not. I entered the long position. It's a scalp trade again. Targeting the 47. I don't even have a stop on it yet. I might close it. Move to break even. Closed it. I had to close it. I just didn't feel. Yeah, it's a good idea. I closed it. I just didn't feel like it, but it can still go. I might re-enter again. Actually, I'm re-entering now because it repriced this small gap here. Re-entering. Uh-oh. Damn it. Oh. Negative risk to reward, that's not good. That's the problem with scalping. Oh, yeah. If you mess around too much, it can hit you hard. Like real hard. Maybe I should close it. Closed it. I don't like it. I don't like it. It's too heavy. That's it. It's a good idea. I closed it. Still in profit. I made $12, $12, including the previous trade. This is a different account. But anyway. Hello, Tamás, üdvözöllek. Welcome, our fellow Hungarian trader Tamás. Még mindig várom a 9.30-at. Csak trollkodok. Still looking for that 9:30 from yesterday. That's what I said. All right. Yesterday was crazy. Ja, nem lett meg, de nem probléma. Look at that. It's going for a previous day low, and it's gonna go actually lower a little bit to cover the regular trading hours gap, I think. Almost had this one. There you go. Wow. Oh, dude. I feel a bit of a FOMO. I really wanted to enter. Anyway, I still made some profits. Nice. Okay, so now that we're down here, there's only one more level to go, which is down at 75. Well, there's multiple levels, but this would be an Asia low as well. Almost made it. Almost made it. Actually, I'm gonna put a line here. Oh, yeah. The problem is, as usual, it's too low to go short, even for a scalp. Even for a scalp. But that 78 level, that was really juicy. It's pushing back up. Now it's down again. Almost. Almost took the low. You know, all the way down to that 78.75 would be down there as a possible target. Could be a bounce here. I don't feel like participating in this move. And there you go. Oh, man. Oh, man. It did go. Make sure I sent everything clean. Understand? All right, I'm gonna check it. Oh, I see. Nice. Good levels. I like the levels that you sent. You outlined everything. First presentation. Hi. You're not trading with SMT now. You're trading with first presentation gaps. I see. Oh, it's going back up there. More accurate. I see. All right. It took out that low, which was down here. I think it took it out, yeah. Which was down there. Really nice move on this. Should have just stayed in this and ride it all the way down. What a drop. I don't know what's going on, but I think it's going to be a bearish session. What do you guys think? I think it could be a bearish session. I'm not sure, but some signs on the chart kind of shows like this is a bearish session. Not sure. So, yeah, the news called it for distribution, right? Yeah, better than expected. I saw that too, but I guess you can read the economics in every kind of way. So the question is, what does that mean if you have a better number? How is that going to affect? The only question now, how far can it go down? Because I don't see anything that interests me here. Everything has been repriced. The next level would be 262 that I'm interested in. As possible sell side liquidity. So I'm not sure. Oh yeah. Dun, 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 dun. How far can it go? I wonder. Market determines how it does react to news. Oh yeah. So I don't really understand too, Martin. To be honest, I don't know. I don't know why it's dumping while the number was better than expected. So I wish I can tell you, but you gotta be good in economics and fundamentals. Why is the market sees it like this? Like it has to dump. What does that mean? So, what does that really mean? No idea. Oh man. Anyway, this is typically the area where we have no freaking idea where is this gonna go, right? Man, I just don't know if I should enter anything on this level. How far is that swing low? That swing low is 150 points. You know what? It can still go. It can still just go. Absolutely. That was an AM session. Oh my god. What's it gonna be? Is it gonna go higher or not? 50 more than 600 pips for today. It seems like Thursday. Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna trade this. Uh, for now at least. I don't think this is something that we should be participating. If you enter a whatever you do, short or long, and if you made profit for today at this level, you're risking it to give it back to the market. That's what I think. Yeah, not something I want to participate, that's for sure. Oh man. What to do? There's nothing to do. There is absolutely nothing to do. I think the move is done. Pretty much. Should we force it? Is this gonna go lower? I'm not gonna force it. I'm not gonna force it. Everybody, I think I'm gonna say goodbye for now. I'm gonna call it here. Remember, tomorrow there will be no London stream because I have elsewhere to go, but I will be here in New York session. So thank you so much for being here today. This was, I mean, I would say fairly a good day. I made some profit on the funded accounts with MyFundedFutures. Again, if you would like to support, please use my codes and links. That would greatly help out the channel and me, and I appreciate it. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Trade safe. You know, don't give it back to the market if you made profit. Okay. Cheers, everybody. See you guys tomorrow. Cheers.